Question number 2 of exercise 3.2 is find the measure of each exterior angles of a regular polygon of n sides and 15 sides. In this particular question, we have to find the measure of each exterior angle if the particular regular polygon is having 9 sides and 15 sides. First, we will see what is the meaning of these regular polygon. Regular polygon, as we learned in previous video also student, regular polygon is both equiangular and equilateral. And what is the meaning of equiangular and equilateral? Let's see for this triangle. As you can see, this one is a triangle. If in this triangle all sides are equal, it means this triangle is equilateral. And if all angles are equal, then this triangle is equiangular. It means according to that definition, this triangle is now a regular polygon. And which type of triangle is this? Yes, this is an equilateral triangle. Now similarly, we have to find the measure of each exterior angle if the regular polygon is having 9 sides. Student, as you can think, if a polygon is having 9 sides, it means that particular polygon is having 9 interior angles as well as 9 exterior angle also. So for solving this type of question, we will use the same property, sum of all exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. Sum of all exterior angles of polygon equals to 360 degree. And we have to find measure of each exterior angle. Of nine-sided regular polygon. How we can find the measure of each exterior angle? Since sum of all exterior angle is 360 degree and number of sides of that particular polygon is 9. So we will divide this 360 degree by 9. What will be the answer, student, if we divide this 360 degree by 9? Obviously, when we cancel out this, 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. What we will get? We will get 40 degree. It means for this particular question, if that particular regular polygon is having 9 sides, we will get measure of each exterior angle will equal to 40 degree. Now we will solve this second one also. Now we have to find the measure of each exterior angle for 15-sided regular polygon. We will use the same sum of all exterior angles equals to polygon equal 360 degree. Therefore, measure of each exterior angle of 15-sided regular polygon will be 360 degree upon 15. Now you have to simplify this. Divide this. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 6 will remain. 15 fours are 60. What will be the answer? 24 degree. Measure of each exterior angle of 15-sided regular polygon will be 24 degree. What do you understand by this, student? Yes, if number of sides are given, then you can easily find the measure of each exterior angle. Just you have to divide the 360 degree by the number of sides. If you divide this 360 degree by number of sides, you can easily find the measure of each exterior angle. Question number 3 is how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? This question is just opposite to question number 2. Here, measure of an exterior angle is given here and we have to find the number of sides. Similarly, we will proceed. Again, we will apply the same formula. Sum of all exterior angles of a polygon equals to 360 degree. And here what is given? Here an exterior angle is given and we have to find the number of sides. So therefore number of sides will be, what is given here? Measure of each exterior angle is given here equals to 24 degree. Now student, therefore the number of exterior angles, total number of exterior angles. How we can find total number of exterior angles? If we divide this 360 degree by this measure of each exterior angle, then we will get the total number of exterior angles. And what will be the answer? Yes, cancel out this. Your answer will be 15. Since total number of exterior angles are 15, so the polygon has how many sides? 15 sides. As we know student, number of angles depends upon number of sides. So if the total number of exterior angles is 15, so the polygon has 15 sides.